Hi there, Laura Kennedy with Air One Hospitality. In case you get into your Airbnb or VRBO property and has a Nest thermostat that looks like this, I will give you a quick video tutorial on how to adjust the temperature settings and switch between AC and heat modes. This Nest thermostat is super easy to use. The silver ring on the outside is a twist selection, so that's super easy if you want to just adjust the temperature on the current mode. And the displays panel itself is a push button, and so that essentially selects whatever option you have displayed. So right now it's set to 64 inside the house. The heat is set to 64. Let's say we want to warm it up in here, so we're just going to twist this and go up to the desired temperature, and it's telling you that the heat is going to turn on in a minute and 30 seconds or so. If you want to switch from the heat to the AC mode or back and forth, simply push the panel and it brings up the display panel. And then again, we're going to use the silver ring to twist it to our desired selection. The mode is that one. So we want that one highlighted, and then we're going to push the display panel, and then it brings up a different display. So we want to go to cool, and then I'm going to push it to select cool. And now it says the cool, or the AC, is set to 70 degrees inside the house. Let's say we want to set it to 75, or if you want to go cooler. And then that will turn on when the house is warmer than 70 degrees. If you want to go back, simply push the panel, go back to the mode setting, and let's say we want to warm it up in the house. Just twist the silver ring and then hit select, which is just pushing the display panel, and then change the heat setting. Say we want it to be 72 inside the house. That's going to start in 22 seconds. All right, hopefully that gets you all set up for controlling the AC and heat modes and the temperature control inside the house. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.